Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we will be discussing how major universities in California are proactively responding to the increasing threat of wildfires and the associated power outages. We'll be taking a closer look at how these institutions are adapting and preparing for this new reality, including the steps they're taking to ensure the safety of their students and staff, while trying to minimize the disruptions to their operations. Stay tuned to learn more about how these universities are coping with these challenges using preventive maintenance and emergency preparedness plans. Did you know that major universities in California are canceling classes, closing campus buildings, and saving generator power for life-threatening emergencies and critical research projects? This is all in response to power outages associated with wildfires. Wildfires have become increasingly destructive in the state over the last several years, causing record-breaking damages, especially during October and November, which are typically the peak wildfire season. Pacific Gas and Electric, or PG&E, the state's main provider of electricity, has started instituting massive power shutoffs when high winds and dry weather conditions exist. This preventive maintenance step by PG&E is designed to reduce the chances of starting additional wildfires in the area. This has affected more than 3 million customers, with the possibility of that number growing even further. So, how are colleges and universities coping with this situation? Well-known schools such as Stanford University, University of California at Berkeley, University of California, Los Angeles, and Mount St. Mary's University are currently dealing with the wildfires and power losses. Let's take an example. A recent wildfire that was spreading by Santa Ana winds brought dangerous fires close enough to Mount St. Mary's University to warrant an evacuation. At University of California at Berkeley, students are still milling around the campus, but do not have power except for life-saving need and critical research projects. Other area universities that have affiliated hospitals must weigh the risks and dangers with surrounding wildfires, smoke and air quality issues, and the difficulty in moving or providing care to patients. What's more, after the record-breaking wildfire season in 2018, many California universities and colleges instituted their own safety, emergency, and fire prevention plans. In some cases, this involved identifying assets, equipment, or systems on campuses that could start a fire. In other cases, it meant creating a preparedness plan and finding alternative power sources in the case of shutoffs. So, as we can see, universities in California are proactively responding to fires and power outages. They are doing their best to ensure the safety of their students and staff, while also trying to minimize disruptions to their operations. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've discussed how major universities in California are responding to wildfires and power outages, and the strategies they're using to ensure safety and minimize disruptions. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more content like this. For more information about Upkeep and how we can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching.